Good evening, Namaskar, Jai Jagannath. Excellencies, honored guests, respected dignitaries, esteemed diplomats, senior artists, scholars, members of the media, and dear friends of culture. On behalf of Sundar Odisha Foundation and Anvesha Kalakendra, it is my honor and privilege to welcome you to Bhanja Matira Mohaka, a journey through Odisha's folk dance rhythms. Tonight, we invite you to step into the living, breathing cultural landscape of Odisha, to be more specific, Ganjam, a land where rhythm is prayer, movement is memory, and dance is not a performance alone, but a way of life. Describing the same, here's a small piece dedicated to my land in my language, Odia. Kalara mati, mo bhanja mati je, ନୃତ୍ୟ ରଙ୍ଗେ ବିଭୂଷିତ କଳାର ଗୁଞ୍ଜନ ସମୀରରେ ଛିଞ୍ଚେ ମନେ ଭରିଦିଏ ପୁଲକ ଗୀତି କଥା କହେ ଅନେକ ହୃଦୟ ଆନନ୍ଦ ଭରି ଦେଇଥାଏ ସେ ମୋ ଭଞ୍ଜମାଟିର ମହକ Bhanjamati, ladies and gentlemen, is the land of Kavi Samrat Upendra Bhanja, where even a single alphabet was enough to create poetry. For instance, taking the alphabet B in Odia Ba, he composed Boidesiha Bilasa. He has created numerous poetic works with Eka Akhyara Prasa Kabya, which is single alliteration letter poetry. From that very land, from my Bhanjamati, folk dances will be presented today. Before we move on and experience these performances, I would request our esteemed guests to come up on the dais for lighting the ceremonial lamp. I would first request Professor Dr. K.G. Sureshji, who is the Director of Indian Habitat Center. Honestly, ladies and gentlemen, this event wouldn't have been possible without his valuable support and guidance. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us today. Can I please request you to come up on the dais and light the lamp? I would request Niharika Sharma ji, founder Anveshka Foundation, to also join us on the dais. She is a visionary social change maker, educator, and philanthropist, has dedicated her entire life for empowering marginalized communities and championing the cause of education. Shri Sangram Dharji, founder of Sundar Odisha Foundation, I would also request him to come upon the dais. And of course, last but not the least, Srimati Usharani Mahapatra ji, who is the founder of Anvesha Kalakendra. She has traveled all the way from Berhampur to Delhi, and she's the one who has actually brought all these artists to Delhi. We welcome her on the stage. I would request our esteemed guests to kindly proceed and light the lamp, please. ହୃଦୟର କଥା ଜାଣିବାକୁ ଅଛି ତୁମ୍ଭର ଅଶେଷ ଶକ୍ତି ସେତିକି ଘେନ ମୋ ହୃଦୟ ଅଛି ତୁମ୍ଭ ପ୍ରତି ଯେ ଭକ୍ତି ହୃଦୟର ପ୍ରଦୀପ ଜାଳୁଅଛି ଖାଲି ତୁମ୍ଭର ଆଶିଷ ପାଇଁ ଦିଅ ପ୍ରଭୁ ଢାଳି ଦିଅ ଆଶିଷର ପାତ୍ର ସାରା ଏ ସଂସାର ପାଇଁ Yes, ma'am, that's Anveshka and this is Anvesha, so I think that's the discussion. Shortly, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be joined by our Cultural and Tourism Minister, Shri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat ji. He's on his way. No, I would request everyone to please be on the dais and speak a few words. KG Suresh sir ji, please come on the dais. Niharika ji. मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि जी सुरेश सर जी से कि कुछ शब्द बोले प्लीज सर.
Thank you, Anvesha. Really a great joy to be here. And I'm sorry I could not attend because yesterday I was traveling. But I'm told that it was a very successful event. I got a lot of reviews from a lot of friends who attended it. And my congratulations to you. At India Habitat Center, we are promoting, diverse cultural activities. In fact, we have recently started an Utsav series. We started off with an Onam lunch, and then we even celebrated Chhat for the first time. We celebrated Lodi recently, and we even currently, even till tonight, we are going to have a Punjabi thali at our restaurants. So the whole idea is to promote the culture, cuisine, language. We are going to have a festival very soon, February 6, 7, 8. That's called Samanvay. It's on mountains, rivers, and forests of India. And we are getting authors, cultural troops from all over the country. The whole idea is in spirit, in sync with the spirit of Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat, to promote all diverse cultures that make us one nation. That is the whole concept. And I'm really delighted. Anvesha was my student at Indian Institute of Mass Communication. And it's a coincidence that my wife is also from Odisha. So,
Welcome, ma'am.
A lot of programs are these days from Odisha. I see so much of talent in Odisha, And I'm really happy to see that a lot of Odissi dances do take place here, the classical ones. But I'm really glad that Anvesha has brought through the Sundar Odisha Foundation and the Anvesha Foundation, she has brought the little known, the lesser known. They may be popular in Odisha and in the respective regions, but those folk art forms, which are maybe confined to their regions, bringing them, giving them a national stage, that's very important. And we at India Habitat Center are proud that we are really providing them a platform. Thank you, Anvesha, for bringing it. And thank you, everyone, because without the audience, I think that the best of programs really don't succeed. So in this winter, chilly winds are blowing, but in spite of that, you have all come. Thank you. And I can assure you that India Habitat Center would continue to be a platform for diverse cultures and also young, promising talent in the days to come. Thank you so much.
I would now request Niharika ji to say a few words, please.
आज के दिन तो सबसे पहले एक ही बात, जय जगन्नाथ. सबसे पहले तो आई वुड लाइक टू एक्सटेंड माई डीपेस्ट कंग्रेचुलेशंस एंड अ grateful thank you to Sangram Dhar sir and Sundar Odisha Foundation along with Anvesha Kala Kendra for organizing such a beautiful program. Coincidentally, my NGO's name is also Anveshka Foundation, which is in the name of my two daughters, Anushka, and the younger one is Anvesha. So, I can somehow relate that people named Anvesha are generally very creative, and I'm so glad to be a part of this program. Thank you for making me a part of this program. And as we know that, India is a land of diverse cultures. Every state has something or the other to offer. And Orissa as a state has been one of my favorite because it is so colorful and so culturally, rich. So I was, trying to peep through the doors and I could see a lot of colorful dancers backstage. And I would just, I'm looking forward to the event. And I convey my heartiest congratulations to the entire team for organizing this event and for making me a part of this event. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. I would now request Shri Sangram Dharji, who is the founder of Sundar Odisha Foundation, to say something about this event tonight.
जय जगन्नाथ बहुत बहुत स्वागत अभिनंदन समस्तंकु सुंदर ओडिशा फाउंडेशन तरफरु अन्वेषा कला केन्द्र तरफरु इंडिया हाबिटाट सेंटर रे केजी सुरेश सारंकर तत्वावधान रे एवं आमर अन्य गण्यमान्य भद्र व्यक्ति एवं जो माने आमे निमंत्रित अतिथि प्रेस रा भाई माने एवं those who have come out of Odisha, out of India even. Yesterday this stage was 40% belongs to non-Indians and 60% were from India. That too, out of 60%, 30% were from Odisha. And the way the Prahlad Natak demonstrated yesterday, the Prahlad and his father were jumping from the stage and going in and out. So it was mesmerizing. So whoever had attended yesterday's program, they have already sent the messages to us about this Prahlad Natak. I think this is for the first time such a historical play, dance, drama had been conducted in the capital of India. So this is what our Odisha, as Niharika ma'am just mentioned, is a land of art, heritage, culture, textile, food. Anything and everything you go Odisha, you will love it. I mean, if you have a program for 3 days and if you don't have return ticket, I am sure you will spend more than 3 days for sure. This is what my Odisha is and I am proud of my Odisha. So, on behalf of Odisha, I am welcoming all of you. I am not telling in Odia because many of here are non-Odia because of the spread by India Habitat Center. Whoever have subscribed to India Habitat Center, every week they would be getting 3 or 4 mailers about the programs. So that's how many have come by knowing ki, this art and culture kind of program is happening here. So this is what it's all about. I'm not going to spend much time because the artists who have come from a different part of Odisha and our aim is to promote them. So this is from the Ganjam area of Odisha. The artists have come. We will do this kind of program in each 3 months or so and we'll take talents from different part of Odisha. So we'll showcasing the entire Odisha in due course of time. Please bless us and keep showering blessing on us. Thank you. Jai Jagannath.
Jai Jagannath Sangram Dharji, thank you so much. You wanted to hear something in Odia? Now the founder of Anvesha Kala Kendra, Usharani Mahapatra ji, would speak in Odia to all of us. Can we please have the mic?
काली केमती हैला केरकरे ना पूरा केरकरे ना हाँ पूरा एमती हैला जे पूरा सब छिंडे देला लेखा छिड़ला तो काली आज आउ टिके लेखा छिड़िबो बरमपुरी भाषा भाषा भावर जननी आम भावना जहाँ थाए आम भाषा आकार ताहा कहू से भाषा कौ प्रकार भाषा हो किंतु भाव भाव को ही बुझे उत्कर्ष कलार देश उत्कल से भंज माटी को कवि सम्राट उपेन्द्र भंज माटी तार महक आलौकिक कहुए जे गंजाम जिलार 64 कला 64 लोककलार माटी हूँ आम भंज माटी मु जानी जे आमर केते दूर स्प्रेड होती व्याप्त होती किंतु मनरे गोटे स्वप्न थिला 30 वर्ष तले ये जो रजा नाच प्रहलाद नाटकटा को लेकर दिल्ली आसापी से स्वप्नटा पूरण है काली आ लोक आदृत बहुत होती बास एमती लगिला जमती कि माने छाती कुंडमट होगला स्वप्न साकार होगला आपण मैंने समस्ते से स्वप्नटा को मिलमिशिकी साकार करथिबा हेतु मु आपण मान पाखरे कृतज्ञ आ बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद बास आउ थरे पुणी मोर भाषा रे टिके कहिदेबी केरकरा ना धन्यवाद
Like I said, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be joined by the Honorable Minister for Culture and Tourism in the next 5 minutes. I would request some of the volunteers from Sundar Odisha Foundation to kindly move to gate number 3 and please assist him to the Stein Auditorium, please. We'll commence the evening, ladies and gentlemen, and we'll be joined by the Minister. I would request all our esteemed guests to kindly be seated and we shall commence the evening. All the guests, esteemed guests, kindly be seated, please. With this auspicious beginning, ladies and gentlemen, let's move. With this auspicious beginning, ladies and gentlemen, let's now move forward into Bhanja Matira Mahaka, a journey through Odisha's folk rhythms. Our first performance for tonight is Navadurga. Ma Ramachandi, Jagatara Janani, Budi Thakurani, Kalyana Karini, Ma Tara Tarini, Sakti Pradayini, Sankata Tarini, Asisa Daini, Mohisa Mardini. गंजामरू आसीथिबा एई नवदुर्गा नृत्यर विशेषत्व है पाद भूमि लागेनी कठौ पिंधिकी एही नृत्यर परिवेषण कराजिबो. This performance, ladies and gentlemen, represents the 9 divine forms of Goddess Durga, symbolizing strength, wisdom, courage, and compassion. Every form represents a powerful virtue, reminding us of the eternal victory of good over evil. The speciality of this folk dance is that the dancers never place their feet on the ground, performing gracefully on wooden planks. Hope you all enjoy the performance. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Navadurga. I'm so honored and happy that we are joined by Shri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat ji, Union Minister, Honorable Union Minister for Culture and Tourism. He has joined us today, ladies and gentlemen. Sir, I would like to request you to please come upon the dais. Sangram ji, please assist him to the dais, please. Let's have a huge round of applause for Shekhawat ji. I would request our volunteers to kindly present the plant. नहीं सर, ये स्पेशल वाले हैं. So she is the deity for our Berhampur city, Ma Thakurani. And that is the brass fish and prawns, sir. Amara pitala macha au chingudi, Berhampur. Can I have all our esteemed guests on the dais, please? Professor Dr. K.G. Suresh ji, please join us on the dais. Niharika ji, Srimati Usha Rani Mahapatra ji, can we have all our esteemed guests on the dais so that we can have a group picture? शेखावत जी का आज इतना टाइट स्केड्यूल था, फिर भी वो यहाँ पे आ पाए, हमें ज्वाइन कर पाए. लेट्स हैव अ ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर हिम, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. मैं अभी शेखावत जी को रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी कि वो कुछ शब्द बोलें. कैन यू प्लीज़ शेयर अ फ्यू वर्ड्स सर अबाउट द इवेंट?
सुंदर फाउंडेशन और अन्वेषा द्वारा आयोजित बंजा माटी री महक, उड़ीसा के लोक लय के लोक नृत्य के इस कार्यक्रम में, जहां हम इस ठंड में उड़ीसा की माटी की महक और उड़ीसा के सांस्कृतिक रंगों से दिल्ली को सरोबार करने के लिए एक साथ यहाँ एकत्रित हुए हैं, मैं मंच पर उपस्थित और मंच के सामने सभागार में उपस्थित सभी लोगों को उड़ीसा की तरफ से जय जगन्नाथ आप सबको निवेदन करना चाहता हूँ. मित्रों, उड़ीसा से आए कलाकारों का एक अद्भुत मंचीय प्रस्तुति नवदुर्गा कि दुर्गा ने किस तरह से आसुरी शक्तियों का संहार किया, हम सब ने उसको अभी मंत्रमुग्ध होकर के देखा. हमारे देश में जो विविधताओं से भरा हुआ है, विभिन्न क्षेत्रों की अपनी अपनी लोक नृत्य परंपराएं हैं, लोक संगीत की विधाएं हैं, शैलियां हैं, और उन सब का दिल्ली में एक तय समय में प्रदर्शन होना केवल सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम मात्र नहीं होता, अपितु भारत की सांस्कृतिक आत्मा का उद्घाटन भारत की इस जो है राजधानी में होता है. ये उड़ीसा की आत्मा का उत्सव जिसे आज सुंदर फाउंडेशन और अन्वेषा ने मिलकर के आयोजित किया है, आप सबको मैं बहुत सारा स्वागत करते हुए ये उड़ीसा का रंग, उड़ीसा का ताल, उड़ीसा का लोक नृत्य यहाँ दिल्ली तक लाने के लिए मैं आपको बहुत सारी बधाई देते हुए आपका अभिनंदन करता हूँ. तो हमारे देश में लोक परंपराएं, लोक नृत्य, लोक संगीत किसी मंच के लिए नहीं बने थे. मंचों पर उसकी प्रस्तुति हो, ये उसका उद्देश्य भी नहीं था, अपितु वो हमारे जीवन के संघर्ष, उन संघर्ष और संघर्षों के साथ साथ में जीवन में खड़ी हुई चुनौतियां, विभिन्न ऋतुओं के ऋतुचक्र, और उसके साथ साथ में कृषि के विभिन्न आयाम और साधना और उत्सव और विभिन्न त्योहारों के समय में अपने भावों को प्रकट करने का एक साधन थे. कालांतर में जिस तरह से परिस्थितियां बदली, उन बदली हुई परिस्थितियों में कहीं हमारे लोक नृत्य, लोक परंपराएं कहीं विलुप्त होते जा रहे थे. ऐसी परंपराएं, ऐसे नृत्य, ऐसे संगीत जो हमारी आत्मा से जुड़े हुए थे और पिछले हजारों साल तक हमारी सभ्यता के साथ में निरंतर प्रवाहित होकर के बने चले आ रहे थे, लेकिन इस बदलते हुए युग में, तकनीकी के इस युग में, जब सारी बाउंड्रीज एलिमिनेट हो रही हैं, उस समय कहीं ना कहीं हमारे लोक नृत्य, लोक परंपराएं, लोक संगीत हमसे कहीं पीछे छूट रहा था. हमारे इस तरह के किए जाने वाले प्रदर्शन केवल मात्र, जैसे मैंने कहा, मंचीय प्रदर्शन नहीं होते थे, वो लोगों के आत्मा के आत्मिक भावों का मंचन होता था, उसका प्रदर्शन होता था, और उसके साथ साथ में हमारी ये सभ्यता और संस्कृति के विभिन्न रंग पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी आने वाली पीढ़ी को सहज रूप से हस्तांतरित इन सांस्कृतिक परंपराओं के माध्यम से हो पाते थे. बदलते हुए परिदृश्य में जब ये विलुप्त होने लगी, वहीं हमारी सांस्कृतिक परंपराएं और हमारी सभ्यता के विभिन्न मूल्य और मानबिंदु, उनके प्रति जो हमारा दृष्टिकोण था, वो भी कहीं ना कहीं क्षीण होने लगा. लेकिन आज माननीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में जब एक बार फिर हमने लोक स्मृति का मंचन करना प्रारंभ किया, हमारी परंपराओं, हमारी इन व्यवस्थाओं का, हमारे सांस्कृतिक मूल्यों का समादर करना हमने प्रारंभ किया है। हमने अपनी संस्कृति को माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के मंत्र के हम विरासत का सम्मान करते हुए विकसित होने की दिशा में आगे बढ़ेंगे, जब हमने उसको प्राथमिकता देना प्रारंभ किया है, तब कहीं न कहीं व्यवस्थाएं सब बदलती हुई सी प्रतीत हो रही है। मुझे अत्यंत प्रसन्नता है कि आज सुंदर ओडिशा फाउंडेशन और अन्वेषा ने मिलकर के एक नई ऊंचाई न केवल उड़ीसा के लोगों के लिए, अपितु दिल्ली में रहने वाले लोग भी उड़ीसा की संस्कृति की महक को, इस माटी की महक को अनुभव कर सकें, देश की विविधता को जान सकें, पहचान सकें, देश की विविधता को पहचानते हुए देश के विभिन्न क्षेत्रों के प्रति उनके मन में कौतूहल का भाव जागृत हो, आकर्षण जागृत हो। इस दृष्टिकोण से ये कार्यक्रम आज जो हमको कुछ छोटा दिखता होगा, लेकिन इस कार्यक्रम का प्रभाव निश्चित रूप से बहुत बड़ा होने वाला है। जब मुझे कार्यक्रम के लिए निमंत्रित करने के लिए बहन जी आई थी, तब मैंने इनसे वादा किया था कि मैं अवश्य आपके कार्यक्रम में आपके बीच में आऊँगा। मुझे माननीय मेरे मित्र भी हैं, मेरे भाई के जैसा उनसे रिश्ता है। आदरणीय धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी ने भी मुझे कहा था कि तुमको उस कार्यक्रम में अवश्य जाना चाहिए। परिस्थितियां कुछ बदली थी। मुझे आज सुबह हरिद्वार में माननीय मुख्यमंत्री उत्तराखंड के साथ में एक बड़े कार्यक्रम में, जहां देश भर के, दुनिया भर के लगभग 90 देशों के प्रतिनिधि आए थे, उसमें शरीक होने के लिए जाना था। लेकिन मैंने 3 दिन पहले दीदी को वादा किया था कि मैं चाहे 5 मिनट के लिए भी आऊँगा, अवश्य आपके कार्यक्रम में आऊँगा। मैं सीधा आप लोगों के बीच में पहुँचा, अब क्योंकि 8 बजे से मेरा दूसरा कार्यक्रम है, इसलिए मैं ज़्यादा देर तक आप सब लोगों के बीच में नहीं रह पाऊँगा। लेकिन मैं इस आयोजन के पीछे जुड़े हुए हर एक व्यक्ति के प्रति अपना आभार और अभिनंदन ज्ञापित करते हुए आप सबको बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। अभी तो त्योहारों का सीज़न है, अभी हम जो है मकर संक्रांति, पोंगल, बिहू, इन सब से बाहर निकलें। मैं आप सबको बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं देते हुए 2026 का साल आप सब के लिए मंगलमय हो, ऐसी आप सब के प्रति ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करता हूं। बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं। भारत माता की।
Thank you so much, sir, for keeping our request, and thank you so much for your kind words. I would request the volunteers to kindly bring the magazine. We would like to release it. That's the magazine on behalf of Anvesha Kala Kendra and Sundar Odisha Foundation, sir. I would request the Honorable Minister to be on the dais. Can we start the felicitation program, please? I would request our volunteers to bring the memento for Professor Dr. K.G. Suresh ji. We would start the felicitation ceremony, ladies and gentlemen. Professor Dr. K.G. Suresh ji, he is the director of Indian Habitat Center and also the person who has made this who has supported us so much with this initiative. So thank you so much, sir. I would now request Shri Charudat Panigrahi ji to please come up on the dais. Volunteers, please be ready with the memento of Niharika Sharma ji. Thank you so much, sir. Niharika Sharma ji is the founder of Anveshka Foundation. Volunteers, please be ready with the memento for Sangram Dharji. Can we have the memento for Sangram Dharji, please? Can we have the memento for Usharani Mahapatraji ready, please? Can we have the memento for Usharani Mahapatraji ready, please? I would request Rohit Bharadwaj ji to please come up on the dais. I would request all the artists to please be on the dais for a group picture. As I mentioned earlier, ladies and gentlemen, of course, Minister Sir has a very tight schedule and he has to leave. I would request all the artists to be on the dais, please. I would request R.K. Das ji to please come up on the dais. समस्त आर्टिस्ट को रिक्वेस्ट करी से प्लीज मंच उपर को आसबे मिनिस्टर सर को सांगे जदि फोटो उठेबार अच्छी प्लीज समस्ते मंच उपर को आसबे प्लीज सबू आर्टिस्ट मान को बैक स्टेज रिक्वेस्ट करी समस्ते प्लीज स्टेज उपर को पळे आसंतु Jai Jagannath. Thank you so much, sir, for your gracious presence today. Thank you so much. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद शेखावत जी. Thank you so much, sir. Let's have a huge round of applause for him, ladies and gentlemen. Even after having a hectic schedule, he could join us today. Ladies and gentlemen, now we'll have the next performance for the evening, which is बाघ नाच बाघ नृत्य ब्रह्मपुर ठाकुराणी यात्रार एक प्रमुख नृत्य माँ बुढ़ी ठाकुराणी बाप घर को जेतेबेले जाती तांको बाहन बाघ जे कि साहस एवं बलिष्ठर प्रतीक सांगरे नहीं जाती बाघ मध्य देखे माँ को पाई किछि विपद तो नहीं से जो ठाणी रे नृत्य करे कालक्रमे ताकू बाघ नाच कुहा जाइछि बाघ नाच ladies and gentlemen is one of the prominent traditional dance performed during the Thakurani Yatra of Brahmapur. In this folk dance, performers paint their bodies like tigers and imitate the animals' movements. Hope you all enjoy the performance. Next performance, ladies and gentlemen, is Dholo Kirtana. ଉତ୍କଳୀୟ ସଂସ୍କୃତିର ପରିଚୟ ହେଲେ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ। କୁହାଯାଇଛି ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଉତ୍କଳର ନେତାର ନାହିଁ ପ୍ରୟୋଜନ, ଉତ୍କଳର ନେତା ସ୍ୱୟଂ ନାରାୟଣ। This means the very identity of Utkaliya culture is Lord Jagannath. Taking this essence, we present another folk performance, Dholo Kirtana, a prayer seeking Lord Jagannath's blessing. Joining the Dholo Kirtana team would be Ranappa. Ranappa is a traditional folk dance form of Odisha, performed mainly in rural areas where performers dance rhythmically while playing the Ranappa, a flat wooden plank stuck with sticks. Hope you enjoy the performance. I would request our esteemed guests, Sangram Dharji, KG Suresh sir, and Niharika ma'am to please come upon the dais. We want to felicitate Akshay Samalji. I would also request Akshay Samalji to kindly come upon the dais. Niharika ji, KG Suresh sir, and Sangram Dharji. Akshay Samalji, ladies and gentlemen, he's an eminent social worker. He's done a lot for the marginalized community and for the field of education. Thank you so much, everyone. Kindly, please be seated. Thank you so much. Our last performance for the evening, ladies and gentlemen, is Chadhya Chadhyani. ଗଞ୍ଜାମର ଅନନ୍ୟ ଲୋକନୃତ୍ୟ ଚଢ଼ିଆ ଚଢ଼ିଆଣୀ ଲୋକକଥା ଅନୁସାରେ ମନୁଷ୍ୟର ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ଦିନର ଜୀବନଚର୍ଯ୍ୟା ସହିତ ପରିବେଶ କିପରି ପରିପୂରକ ଏବଂ ଅନ୍ୟାୟ ଅଧର୍ମ କଲେ ତା'ର ଦଣ୍ଡ ମନୁଷ୍ୟ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ପାଇବ ଏହି ନୃତ୍ୟର ଅଭିମୁଖ୍ୟ ଚଢ଼ିଆ ଚଢ଼ିଆଣୀ is a lively and expressive folk dance of Odisha that beautifully portrays youthful romance, playful teasing, and the natural rhythm of village life. Hope you all enjoy the performance. While they set up the stage, ladies and gentlemen, we also have our millet team from Odisha. They have exhibited their products outside at the stall. We also have Odia food for our dinner. Everyone who wants to taste the Odia food can also look at our stall outside the Stein Auditorium.
की रंगे आसाई बेसे चढ़े अबीर से की रंगे आसाई बेसे चढ़े अबीर से की रंगे आसाई बेसे खंजा काठी आठे धरी खंजा काठी फास गोटी धरी न हस्ते से की रंगे आसाई बेसे नमई दर्शन को घपटन कपिलास को नमई दर्शन को घटन कपिलास को आनंद करे नृत्य को आनंद आनंद करे नृत्य को आनंद करे नृत्य को चारि पयार से की रंगे नाचाई बेसे वीर से की रंगे नाचाई बेसे चढ़े वीर से की रंगे नाचाई बेसे आशा आशा रे मोकेली मकुंदरा दाना मोर रसिक चंद्र वादना आशा आशा रे मोर केली मकुंदना दाना किर रसिक चंद्र वादना आशा आशा रे मुचंडाल न जानिली रे मुचंडाल न आसिली संगे घेनी न आनिली संगे घेनी जादी थांदी रे संगे घेनी थांदी दे करी थांदी गला दे
कहुअछि जने शुण कही देवी चढ़याणी गुण करोड़ी मुहिल धिक धिक तो जीवन खड़ उकुणी मुंडी बेताली आंठू भांगी देवी रह संभाली उल्लूक मुहिल भद्रकाली डेंगी छेली
केजी सुरेश सर का मैं थैंक यू करते करते नहीं थकूंगी बिकॉज उन्हीं की बदौलत ये इवेंट हो पा रही है, उन्हीं की सपोर्ट की वजह से. सो थैंक यू सो मच सर. आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट ऑल आवर आर्टिस्ट टू प्लीज़ कम अप ऑन द डायस. ऑल आवर आर्टिस्ट, सबू आर्टिस्ट को मंच उपरू डाकिबाकू चाहिए. जेते आर्टिस्ट बैक स्टेज अच्छे मु समस्त को मंच उपरू को डाकिबाकू चाहिए. These were the 4 performances of the evening, ladies and gentlemen. Yesterday we had Prahalad Nataka. Like I said, it was a theatrical performance describing the devotion of Prahalad for Lord Narsimha. Yesterday we had that performance, and today we had 4 performances, starting with Nabadurga, 9 forms of Durga Ma, goddess Durga. Then we had Baghanacha. Then we had ढोल कीर्तन एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट चढ़या चढ़याणी. समस्त आर्टिस्ट कालीर भी जिते आर्टिस्ट थे मु समस्त को रिक्वेस्ट करी समस्ते डायस उपर को पळे आसबे. राधा कुमारी को भी मु रिक्वेस्ट करी से डायस उपर को आसबे. आमर आउ कि आर्टिस्ट जदि ऑडियंस रे भी अच्छी से माने प्लीज मंच उपर आसबे आमर गोटे ग्रुप पिक्चर पाई. उषा मैम को भी मैं रिक्वेस्ट करी उषा जी हु इज़ द फाउंडर ऑफ अन्वेषा कला केंद्र. She has been running this cultural organization from the last 20 years, ladies and gentlemen. She is not just Srimati Usha Rani Mahapatra ji, but she's also my mother. And Anvesha Kala Kendra, the name Anvesha, which is also my name, was actually given by my mother, and it was founded in the year 2001. And from then, she has been running it single-handedly. So let's have a huge round of applause for all our artists and Srimati Usha Rani Mahapatra ji. Can we also have Sangram Dharji on the stage? Let's have a group picture. And we'll wind up the evening, ladies and gentlemen. We have our Odia food as dinner outside the Stein Auditorium. Please feel free to enjoy the food. We also have our millet exhibition, Achar Papad, which are products from our Ganjam district to be specific. They are also displayed outside. So please have a look and enjoy those products as well. That will be a huge boost to the local artists. तरुण जी को भी रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी, भूपेंद्र को भी रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी, एंड मम्मी जी. I'm really glad, ladies and gentlemen, the entire family, not only my in-laws are also here. I would request, because they've all been so supportive, I would request everyone to be on the stage, and let's have a group picture. Let's have the Manapatra. I'll ask Shalini to kindly hand over it to the artists. KG सुरेश सर, एक लास्ट बार अगर आप आ जाते, एक पिक्चर ले लेते. आपके बगैर सुना लगता है कोई भी पिक्चर. आप प्लीज़ आ जाइए. मैम, you are also from Odisha. Please come. I would request you, please come on the dais. KG Suresh sir is very choosy, and I'm sure ये इवेंट इतना अच्छा होगा, उन्होंने यही सोचा होगा, इस वजह से उनकी धर्मपत्नी जी भी आई हुई हैं. Manjur Lata ji, thank you so much for coming today. Thank you everyone for joining us today. Thank you so much. Thank you. Without you all, this event wouldn't have been successful. So thank you so much for joining us today. Like I said, there's dinner outside, which is Odia food, specifically from Ganjam district, Odisha. Please enjoy the dinner. We also have specific products from our Ganjam district, millet-based products. Please enjoy those food products as well.